So hello guys, welcome to my channel and this is Shoptalk and today I'm going to show you how to make animations with PowerPoint. So first open Google Chrome and go to this website. I will share the link in the video description. Right click on the image and click on save images in the desktop. And now go to this link and now download this file. Then again open PowerPoint and click on new slide in down arrow and click on blank and delete this first slide. Now go to insert tab and in pictures click on this device and select the picture. Here we have selected picture. Then again select that picture. Let's select the picture bird. Select the picture of bird and click on insert. Select this bird and click on animations. Click on add animations. Click on more motion paths. Click on diagonal upright. And then select this and this bird will go out. Click on preview. So today's video is actually like the video, then like, share and subscribe.